In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more hotbar space here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is look specifically for a biohacking chamber. Now, the best way to do this is to make your way not like extremely deep, but around a decent length down. And of course, once you are a little bit deeper down, you need to go ahead and build yourself just a standard base. This is a specific reason that we want to go ahead and do that, and that's because you need to use the scanner system for this. And the scanner system only has a range of about 350 meters. So essentially get out, go ahead and bring out a habitat builder and make yourself a quick little room. Once you make yourself a room, we're actually going to extend it a little bit just because it looks nicer. You obviously got to get into the room itself, so make yourself a hatch. Once you're in here as well, what you need to do is go ahead and build yourself the scanner. So look for the scanner on here. Build yourself that scanner, and what you need to do then is interact with the back of the scanner and look for this biohacking chamber. Go ahead and select that. You see a bunch of different stuff up here. You essentially need to go ahead and toggle these signals on. It's going to tell you how close you are to every single one of them, but toggle them all on. I would recommend just doing that so that you can go to all of them. It's then going to appear on your HUD as something that you could actually make your way over. And I don't know why this guy is always watching me in every single one of these videos, but make your way over to the biohacking chamber and you need to look for the bio bed in these chambers. So it looks like this one has an entrance kind of through this little path right here. Once you're in here, you need to obviously go ahead and find that biohacking bed right here, and you essentially just need to interact with the screen right next to it. And of course, it's going to increase your inventory. That's the full process right here. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can get more hotbar space in Subnautica 2. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Just keep in mind, after you do this, it is an inventory upgrade or a hotbar upgrade. You could choose either or. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.